करना संभव हो रहा है।
The Behdeinkhlam festival concluded today with prayer and grandeur at Siem Atnar. In the early morning, a sacred ritual was performed to honor and pay respect to Katen Kawet Kado, the ancestors of Kakur, Sokpo and the first settlers of Jowai town. The most significant part of the morning on the culmination day is Ka Cho Tandai, performed in every household to seek the blessings of Utre Kirat. As midday approaches, a crowd gathers at Siem Atnar to witness the grand finale of this splendid festival. Finally, Ka Knong Blai is brought and carefully placed in the center of the pool. This year's festival was graced by the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and other dignitaries.
Maintain and celebrate our culture as it is a mark of the identity of who we are, and no matter how we move forward in life, our culture and our identity will always be with us, and hence it has been the endeavor of this government to ensure that we always support all these kind of programs and ensure that our cultural identity is always maintained.
Khazi Hills